Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we are going to be learning how you can contact Snapchat customer support. So simply head over to your Snapchat and now click on your profile from the top left side of your screen and click on settings. Once you do, you will be able to see that we have my account. Scroll a little bit down. I'm sorry about that. Scroll a little bit down and you can see we have our privacy controls, and under that we have our support. So if you want to simply contact Snapchat, you can see we can click on I need help or something like that, and that's how you can contact customer support. So simply just select the query that you want to fulfill. Like for example, if you are using Snapchat or you lost your snap streak or privacy issues or something like that, you can simply click on this contact us option as well to contact them directly. And that's a pretty simple process to submit a request and contact customer support of Snapchat. So I really hope you understood the concept and found this video helpful. If you did so, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and see you around in the next video.